props. Elle uses a lot of props in her piece. A lot of them are to create set or create an atmosphere. So for instance, tires, she uses tires in her piece to create trenches or seats. Depending on the use, you can also show the emotion of the characters. So for instance, in the trench, this is a very work in progress thing that we're doing at the moment, where you can see the highs and lows of a trench. So we start off high up with the tires, and we use the tires to move about the trench as if Pavlo or Lucy or Pavlo is moving through the trench. And the more she walks through it, the lower down the trench goes, also lower down with her mood, and lower down with us as well, which creates like the abysmal, like murky trench from Ukraine war. She also uses a blanket. I kind of think of it as to signify comfort, because it's used in scenes where you would think they would need it. So for instance, in Anya's story, we use it to create a bed. Like, us as actors create a bed using physical theatre, but we use the blanket as a signifier to kind of show that this is a bed. We've also got 2 pillows to signify that as well. And then not so long into the piece, we use it again as like a mat to kind of be like to place down on top of, like, so we can sit on top of it. And again, that's done again in Pavlo's story. We also use reflection paper to show Ukraine's united flag. We have 4 pieces, which 4 dancers who represent Ukraine kind of make the flag using the 4 pieces. I kind of see it as them knitting the flag, so kind of like her title, Knitting Ukraine, knit the flag together to kind of show the hope that Elle wants to create. On the other side of these, again, a work in progress, where she's thinking about having articles on the other side of these, and we show the articles to the audience. This is kind of signify the devastation of war and how it follows us through the dance combat piece in the section in the piece.